In section 6.1, we're going to learn how to solve one-step linear inequalities. These are going to be inequalities with one variable, and they're going to be the simplest of the linear inequalities. So inequalities have the symbols that are a little bit different than the equal sign. They're going to be the less than, or the less than or equal to, or the greater than, or the greater than or equal to. And these are the kinds of problems that we're going to deal with that have that kind of a symbol in them. So whenever we're solving a linear inequality, what we need to understand is that you're going to have an infinite number of solutions, and because of that, we're going to want to depict the answer in a graph form, because if we tried to list all the answers out, it would take us, the rest of our lives. So we go ahead and we list a graph. We use a graph to explain what our solution is. The closed dot in the graph is going to indicate that the answer is included. The closed dot includes that part of the answer. And an open dot says really that the answer starts here but doesn't include this point. So we have an open dot for that. And that's whenever there's a no equal sign, it's going to be an open dot. Whenever you have a less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, then you're going to have the closed dot. So when we have x is greater than 4, that is a problem where there is no equal sign. And since there is no equal sign, our solution is going to have the open dot. So there we go at number 4 there. 4 to the right is 0. We have an open dot on the number line. And x is less than or equal to -2, we have an equal sign. And so this time I'm going to graph it a little bit differently. I'm going to show you another way. If you don't want to do it right on the line, you can do it above the line. So I'm going to go to -2 here, and since -2 is part of the answer, I'm going to darken in my arrow, and x is less than or equal to -2, so my arrow is going to go to the left of that. So those are just two different ways to graph that same problem.